Here's where you can add your offers to your affiliate program. Start by naming the offer. Description is a good way to explain to your affiliates what you pay for and how they can promote your business. If you need to prevent your affiliates from some marketing activities, you can state that in restrictions. You can use internal notes to keep track of anything internally with your team. Choose one of the flow types defining what you pay your affiliates. For the showcase, I will choose revenue share, and I will pay my affiliates some percentage from the revenue that they bring. Select visibility of the offer. Public offer is visible by all affiliates. Private only by the ones you choose. Upload thumbnail. Add a tag to the offer if you want to. Now it's time to add some targeting. Choose a language of the offer. You can also target devices or traffic channels. Let's set revenue and payouts of the offer. Start by adding all affiliate tiers that you want to have on the offer. Now you need to define what are you going to actually pay for. What are your conversion types? You can customize these in settings. For our showcase, I will choose sale. If this event is reoccurring, you can change the reoccurrence here. And now, you just choose how you wish to pay affiliates for this event. I will go with percentage. Apply. Let's continue by adding revenue and payout group. You can name a group if you wish. I will call this one North America. And I will add the US and Canada to this group. Continue. You can define what percentage of the revenue your affiliates will see. This is good for businesses with high order returns. You can simply take off part of the revenue and only show affiliates whatever percentage you want. And finally, time to enter payouts to your affiliates. Here, you see that the percentage of affiliate payout was taken from the affiliate tier. I have a standard tier with 10%. And a VIP tier of 15% as a commission rate. You can also choose the values manually at any time and overwrite the values given by the tier. A final check to see all that we have set up, and that's it. Now just one final click on applying and we're done. You need to add some landing pages to define where your affiliate's traffic should be sent to. Let's type in a name of the landing page and the URL too. This can be any page on your site. All is saved. You can add more landing pages to give your affiliates a choice. I will skip adding more and just move on to the next step. In the Assets section, you can provide your affiliates with any promotional materials you have. You can upload banners, emails, or simply just upload a zip folder with all the files. And we're all set. In the platform, Trackdesk checks all the settings of the offer to make sure they're okay. Last step is to implement our tracking codes with your site. You get all the instructions here. This is the code for tracking clicks, and this is the code for conversion, sale in our case. This needs to be placed on your website where the conversion happens. You may also attach any information to the conversion, ID of the order for your system, customer's email, etc. You can find all the instructions on this page. Simply talk to your developer or ask a support team for help with placing the scripts. Click on Publish and the offer goes live. You can see your offer immediately on your offer section, featured as private.